back to another interesting tutorial about Chrome browser, and in today's video I will show you on how to use split tab views in your Chrome browser for productivity and easy different web browsing application browser. Let me show you how. Like for instance, we have a single page of Chrome browser right here, how you can use split global view. First thing first, when you open up a tab, you can come to the top right here, right click on it, and then go ahead and click on add a new tab. So we have a separate Chrome browser right here. Let's say for instance, I want to close it back, then I go ahead and open a particular website right here. So you can see how to convert web page to text right here. So go ahead and click on this first link right here. Now we have this particular website right here, and we want to create another side view for the Chrome browser. How do we do that? Instead of go ahead and create as many as possible tabs. So what we want to do here is to come to the top right here. Make sure we right click on here, and then we go ahead and we click on add tab to a new split view. On that, then we have a new tab right here. So in this section right here, we can go ahead and search for another thing. You can say how to use YouTube right here. Okay, say how to use YouTube right here, and hit enter. So we have different results right here. So how to use YouTube right here, and we have another how to convert web page to JPEG right here. Now we can decide to interchange this particular result right here. Like for instance, we want to switch from this page to another side right here, from the left or the right. So for that, what we want to do is to come down below right here. We click on this three dots right here. We can click on reverse view. So when you click on reverse view, it's going to interchange the page from one to another. So we now have our how to use YouTube result right here. We can navigate and start checking different web page right here. Whatever you click here is going to be the result. You are going to get the result from this particular view page right here. Let's say for instance we want to work on the view. We click on select image. See, I can drag and drop the image on our website. We can read detail about this site. If I click on this three slider here, we have more stuff that we can do on this particular website right here. It's that simple. So if I decide to close one tab right here, or I decide to view in normal standard, what we want to do is to come down below right here, we'll click on this three dots right here, so we can click on separate view. So when you have a separate view, it's going to take you back to a normal full web result in Chrome browser. So we have this particular website right here, and we have another one right here. So we can as well reconvert them back to side view. So go ahead and right click on the top right here and click on add tab to new split view. Then we have them back right here. Go ahead and close this tab right here, and then we can start working on that website right here. As far as side view split is concerned, that's it. More tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Chrome browser. Consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.